Okay. So now welcome back. Now still the late night show. Emmanuel and no kill person. All right. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, I get one of my G in the building. And if any, okay, I don't want to use this person's name, take introduce I'm coming because I feel everybody's supposed to just own their own space, all right? Yep, so I don't go mention that particular name. But ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome inside the late night show, Dore, with us in the building. Yes, so how far now?
I did, Baba.
Dore, Wagwan.
I did.
I feel your black. Now my kind team be that, you know, all black everything.
No understand.
The blood don't call
black.
No, black too. They do black blood.
And I red blood.
How your side, man?
I did, boss.
How they hustle for the industry?
Let's go to the push.
As in movement things, pushing things, hustle things. Okay, now some people don't use that word hustle. I want to do my best to come out that word hustle from my mouth this year. Because really, hustle means say, you got to take explain and give me. So, last week. Hustle means say, man, they die there, struggle to make it happen, you understand, So I know things going to happen grace-wise.
Mm-hmm. This is progress. Amen.
Now the prayer be that. So now, Dore, what's your real name?
Oluwatosin.
Oluwatosin. You know Yoruba boy like this?
Yoruba confirm.
I swear down. You be like Yoruba boy?
No.
You know to give you that Yoruba feel.
Yeah, people don't tell me, they don't tell me tire.
So most of the time you say you be like
they call me Omo Igbo,
like Igbo guy,
yes. They don't give me Igbo names tire, safe.
Because be like all those she names.
But my mom not from Delta. Maybe now.
Your mom's not Delta. And then the blood come out from. Now area.
Yeah.
Dore.
Boss.
So
Oluwatosin.
Yeah. Okay. Dore. Where the name Dore? Okay. Say that from Dore me first or nothing?
No.
Okay, so now
okay, I give myself that name, man, because every time people call me that name, they remind me of something, you understand? Like a decision I make a long time ago.
Okay.
See, me, I come from this place, maybe say, at a point, the youth, like the boys and girls, everybody want to try to do funny things. I don't blame anybody then, because that now what they know, that now what they see actually.
Okay.
So, but for me, I just feel like, I don't want to be like them, I want to be myself. So, though just mean money, and ray means that tiny beam of light,
Okay,
that whole
ray.
Place, yeah.
Okay.
So now just so for me, Dore now that's that little way you make, we encourage you to make more.
Okay.
So you don't have to do anything wrong. Just stay focused.
And that year, enough guys and when they are around you, but they don't make some kind of wrong decisions. When you just decide, say, I'm not gonna like to involve for this kind of parole.
Mad.
So you can't go carve your own name to suit your own dreams.
So when you just call me, I will just remember.
So okay. So the dough in the oath, now the dough, now be the money,
yes,
dough. And the ray, now be the ray of glory.
Yes, sir.
The big light, boy, light and everything. You understand? So Dore. Some people they make name, they give themselves. You understand? So this name now going to show forth for your life.
Amen.
The money going to show at the same time, the glory going to beam.
Amen.
All right, but for my mind, that year I would say that Dore could be like maybe from Do Re Mi.
I would say everybody.
You understand? Yeah. You play any musical instrument?
I play guitar, but not too well. But
so when I hear guitar most times, I hear for my mind. The first thing you come my mind, I guitar.
At the end of the day.
At the end of the day,
yes,
okay, but your kind of music now, which kind of music?
Okay. For me, I like to describe my music as good music.
Okay, good music.
You understand? But, I did Afro-pop.
Afro-pop?
Yes.
What's in that? You get one pastor will come here last week. I don't forget your own.
Don't forget that.
I don't forget your own.
It's different.
It's different. I see as I they sing blues. You say, yes, I sing blues. I say, you did rap. You say, you did rap. So everything pastor they do. Okay, but quickly, we'll see your video now for this particular track, and then we'll come back with the title of the track. Sugar Love. All right, so quickly, we'll see this video from Dore, and then we'll come back. We'll still follow Dore, talk one or two things before we come on out on top of this particular interview. We'll see how quick. The way men say they drop love songs.
Oh yeah.
I think we need to ask for more.
For more.
You understand? We need to ask for more. Dore, beautiful song. Sugar Love, beautiful Beautiful song.
you.
I like the tempo. You know, we shout up and down. You understand? I love the tempo. Now, for you now, before Sugar Love, how many songs on there before Sugar Love?
Okay, I dropped one 2011, yeah. I get
2011.
one song with Solid Star.
Okay.
Telling Me Love, we been shoot the video.
Okay. Okay.
I shoot the video then, and
Okay.
it drop. Then after that, I been drop another single, Just Believe.
Okay.
I feature Korede.
Okay.
That's 2011, no.
That same
Korede
time.
Bello,
That Corey never peak
Never
this
go,
peak.
never go.
God never God don't win that time, but never show forth for Corey
Yes.
life. So that's a pending it be.
So after that, we not gonna drop any more single for
Okay.
some years.
Okay.
So after that, now, I dropped Shokpe. I dropped one song, Shokpe.
Okay.
Shokpe na Yoruba word it means thankful.
Thankful.
You understand? So I just appreciate God for
For things.
everything.
And then for the future too.
And for the future too. Very
exactly.
important.
All right, so now Sugar Love don't kuku show now, and at Sugar Love at least say this first quarter to second quarter people supposed to feel and finish well.
By the grace of God.
All right, but future things now for Dore. What will they see in the next few months, in 2016 from Dore?
Okay, the best way to answer this question, some years ago.
I want to say I'll leave it for God. Sometimes people they leave things for God, they don't get plan.
Some years ago, like 2011 when I first dropped my first single,
Yeah.
officially.
Yeah.
If you ask me the same question, say, where you go there in the next 2 years, I'll tell you. Because I know I always put in work
Okay.
and all of that.
Okay.
You know, I try to go hard, I try to learn every day, you know. But then I go tell you many stories. You understand? But okay, the best way I feel answer that question now, say,
Alright.
I go put in work, I go work hard, but I go definitely day where God want make I day this year or next year.
Now see the same answer you give me. Just back door, say answer the thing. Just do it like this. Say the last line say I'll still leave it for God. I'll still leave it for
That's
God.
all, that's all.
Because if there's anything
God over everything.
I just tell people most times say, look, no matter how it take be, as much as you want leave things for God, what thing God won't really do, they do. You say you got to get say
Yeah.
this one, and this one, no. But make I all believe say the works they go on
So I
behind.
go drop more videos, more
Say-
songs,
and at least make people
more
feel
work, more
last
collaborations.
now the whole level be that
More everything.
and as things they be like this now with the endorse Dore 2016 with the support the movement
thank you.
hashtag Team Dore hashtag SBR
Yes, sir.
hashtag Energy Promotions all right so now the whole level be this you know based on the whole focus on me move for CM very very well because now our guy so the whole level like this no worry for those of now they follow me on top Instagram you will see the picture very soon and all that and you know Dore
Bye-bye.
now quickly as we just wrap up the whole thing like this now waiting be your because I know say as you say when your music starts your reason wait bear the name Dore and decide to also do music and do music the right way now
Yeah.
because you no one follow the way some other young people they follow do
Yeah.
their own stuff. What be your message to every young Nigerian person where they outside there, be you guy or girl, where they in that same kind of predicament right now, but you know they want to move on to say, okay, I'll do the things the right way. I don't want to involve myself for things that were not too pure. What you go tell even the ones that way they involve themselves for things that were not too
Already.
pure. What be your message to them before I come out?
You know, believe in yourself, you know, trust God, be hardworking, you know, and always believe, say, you go do all right, you know.
Okay.
Believe, say, all your efforts, so you dey put, both the ones so you don't show and the ones you never show, just believe, say, it no be waste. Just believe, say, you get where you dey go and you must surely get there. As long as you know, say no.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So to jam in on top Instagram, on top Facebook, on top Twitter, or your social media platforms, then how they'll take
Okay,
reach?
Twitter, Softboy Dore.
Soft boy Dore. The Dore now D-O-R-A-Y.
Yes, so Doray. Softboi.
Okay.
Then Dore, Doray. Instagram, Softboy Dore. Facebook, Dore, Amen.
Dore Amen.
Amen.
Okay.
A-M-E-N.
A-M-E-N.
Yeah.
Regular Amen.
Yes, regular
soft
Amen.
boy. She say soft boy. I won't touch you just now, but it just do me say make I not feel when they press you. You know too good. Make I press. So you soft like
No,
this.
soft, twice soft.
Soft. Okay.
Yeah,
But it's not the freshness, not be the softness.
No
be
be
the
wetin mean be
freshness.
that.
No, based on
Just
the
mean nice guy, good guy, correct guy.
I like when people they explain things. You understand? They show me say you know what you they do.
Yeah,
you
correct,
get that's how I like to ask some kind of questions.
Yeah.
Dore, thank you. Say you follow us there on top of the show.
Thanks,
and no worry. Sugar Love. Yeah.
Sugar love.
Sugar Love, we go hear more of Sugar Love. I think we go on top of the show, we go jam it. We go allow the tempo. Those who don't want to shout, we
Yes,
like
sure.
Sugar Love,
Very
everybody we all
freestyle
know
drum.
as things they be. Energy!
I see
You
you,
already
bro.
know.
All right. Dore,
boss.
thank you very much, my
Thanks so
guy.
much.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we don't come to the close of this show for tonight and the Jammers tomorrow. And for those of you now, right now, very, very important, we must make this announcement. For sponsorship and advert placement, again, I say, for sponsorship and advert placement, others of you they send me mail since now be the time to come rush, come hustle this whole level. All right, so just contact us sharply, send us message, just let us know how everything will take be quickly. Our email day there for now to see, and of course send us messages. Contact me personally at Funny Ogbolo, or on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Just send us mail for our email levels there. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this junction, I go say good night to everybody. Make them sleep well. And big shout out to Naomi. We follow us don't top the show before the when we start the show, and of course to my guy, my G Dore. We follow us there inside the whole level. All right. So to end the whole thing, we just dance away every, and I say good night. Bless you. Bless you. If you are not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.